All right, let's take a look at how to install a font on a Windows computer. So right now I have searched for free fonts and I am on Font SC. They tend to have a lot of fonts that are free for commercial use. So that's one. Another one we like to use in class is defont.com. But let's say I found one. This is Arizona Regular. Notice this is free for commercial use, so I could use this font for anything. We're going to download it. Notice this font has a download button. Once I click it, it's going to download as a zip file. I'll just stick it on my desktop. Once it downloads, I'm going to come down to the bottom of my screen and click it, which will then open up a window to extract it because I clicked on a zip file. So zip files are files that are combined, usually more than one file, and they're combined into a little folder sort of. So once you do that, you're going to hit the Extract All button, which is then going to have you make a folder, and I usually just put them on the desktop for that specific download. So I'm going to hit Extract, and then it should open up my folder. So on my desktop is an Arizona folder, and now I have the font file. All I got to do now, and make sure, of course, you're using the TTF file. If you cannot see the file extensions, go to View and make sure the file extensions are showing. But if you have all of your columns on details, you can see that it's a TrueType font file. Then just double-click it and hit Install. If it's not already in there, it will install it. If it's already on your computer, it'll say this font's already installed. And a box did pop up. It just popped up on my other screen, so you didn't see it. And now that Arizona font would be available for Word, PowerPoint, anything that's on the computer. Now, when you're on the internet, it does not use your computer fonts. So if you're using Photopea, it's not using your computer fonts. It's using Photopea's fonts. And you can still install these into Photopea for temporary use, but you can't extract them this way. So there's a whole separate video for that.